Good morning students, I am Poonam Gidwani, your EVS teacher. We are studying first chapter of class 3rd, that is relations and relatives. In previous parts we have already learnt that Jamna lives in a city with her parents. Jamna visits her village during the Deepavali vacations because in her village there are her family members who lives in a joint family. Jamna's grandmother, Jamna's grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousin. Jamna enjoys there very much, and in today's video we will learn some good habits and many things, and we will enjoy story of Jamna. So let's see what happens next in story of Jamna. Grandmother used to tell stories every day. Students, we have already learned that Jamna is enjoying very much in the company of grandfather and grandmother. So जो जमुना की दादी माँ है वो उनको कहानियाँ सुनाती है. Do you like stories? आपकी भी दादी, नानी या आपकी मम्मा आपको कहानियाँ सुनाती होंगी. One day Jamna got up early in the morning. Wow, that's a very good habit. Jamna wakes up early in the morning because students, it's a good habit. Early to bed, early to rise makes a child healthy, wealthy and wise. So, it's a very good habit. You should always wake up early in the morning. So, when do you wake up, students? अगर आप लेट उठते हैं तो change this habit. You should always wake up early in the morning. As usual, after using the toilet. As usual means like she always does. After using the toilet, she washed her hands with soap and brushed her teeth. Wow, Jamna is having a very good routine and very good habits. Means whenever Jamna uses the toilet, she always wash her hands with soap or hand wash. Students, it's very necessary to wash our hands with soap or hand wash whenever we use toilet or whenever we play outdoor games. Means after playing outdoor games or after using toilet or before having meal, it's necessary to wash our hands with hand wash or soaps. Why? Because there are a lot of germs and bacteria on our hands, and if we don't wash our hands with hand wash or soap, or we wash our hands with water only, all the bacteria and germ enters in our stomach, and then what happens? We fall ill, and then doctor, injection, capsules, medicines and syrups. So अगर हमें इन सब से बचना है तो what to do? Just wash your hands with soap or hand wash. And Jamna brushed her teeth. So students, one more good habit, we should always brush our teeth twice. Means 2 times. Once as soon as we wake up and second time before going to bed, because if we don't brush our teeth, we will get foul smell, cavities and yellow teeth. So, if you want sparkling white teeth and you want to protect your teeth from bacteria, cavities and foul smell, we should always brush twice a day. So, grandmother bathed her and combed her hair. Grandmother bathed her because Jamna is a small girl and she needs someone's help for bathing, combing and for so many activities. So, grandmother helped Jamna in these activities. After that, Jamna went to farms with her grandfather. Now, Jamna is enjoying the company of her grandfather. And students, who is our grandfather? Father of our father means Dadu or Dadaji, and sometimes we say Baba. Flourishing crops delighted Jamna. Flourishing crop, students, जो लहराती हुई फसलें होती हैं. Here is a picture of flourishing crops for you. So students, you can easily find farms, flourishing crops in a village but not in city. So Jamna is very happy. She is enjoying very much the company of her grandfather. Walking around the farms with grandfather was a pleasure for Jamna. Jamna was very happy. She was enjoying in farms. चारों तरफ घूम रही थी खेतों में. So students, do you like to enjoy in farms? Jamna was very happy with her grandparents. Jamna is enjoying her vacations with her grandfather, grandmother and her joint family. So students, here is an exercise for you. Think and write. At what time do you get up in the morning? So tell me students, कितने बजे उठते हैं आप? I am writing my own example और आप इसमें अपना example लिखेंगे. For example, I wake up, or we can write I get up at 6 o'clock in morning. Because earlier I told you early to bed, early to rise. This is the good formula of a successful life. So here is the next question. Who helps you in your daily routine like brushing teeth, bathing, etc. So students, आप खुद से नहाते हैं, काम करते हैं या there is someone who helps you? You can write here the name of your helper, like you can write my father helps me, or you can write my mother helps me, or if you are doing it on your own, you can write nobody helps me, I do it on my own. For example, when I was a child, my mother helped me, so I can write here my mother helps me in my daily routine. So student, this is my example. यहाँ पे आप अपना आंसर लिखेंगे कि आपकी हेल्प कौन करता है आपकी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ में. Here is the next question. Bathing is necessary for us. Why? हमारे लिए नहाना क्यों ज़रूरी होता है स्टूडेंट? Because if we want to protect our body from germs and bacteria, bathing is very necessary because it cleans the skin and washes away germs from our body. और अगर हम नहीं नहाएंगे तो क्या होगा? Again the same thing. We will fall ill, then doctor, injection, holidays. So इन सब से बचने के लिए bathing is very necessary. Even in winter seasons also students, because there are some students जब हमें बहुत ठंड लगती है and we avoid bathing, right? So हमें ऐसा नहीं करना है. Winter seasons में भी we should not avoid bathing. What are the good habits to be followed for a healthy life? So students, with the story of Jamna, we learned the first good habit, that is waking up early in the morning, early to bed, early to rise. And second good habit is brushing teeth twice a day. Twice means once in the morning and second before going to bed. And third good habit is regular physical activities. Means we should not be a couch potato, or we should not play only indoor games. We should also play outdoor games like hockey, cricket, badminton, any outdoor game of your choice you can play, but you must take care of your physical activities. You can do yoga also. And the fourth good habit is washing hands before and after meals. Students, जब भी हम कुछ खाते हैं और खाने के बाद it's very compulsory to wash our hands, because earlier I told you there are so many germs and bacteria on our hands, as you can see in this picture. And students, we can't see that bacteria with our naked eyes. We need a lens or a microscope. So whenever we use soap or hand wash, we get clean hands without germs and bacteria, and we don't fall ill, and no injection, no doctor. And one more time, after playing outdoors, we should wash our hands. So students, whenever there is no hand wash available or no soap available, you can also use sanitizer. So students, eating a healthy diet and never skip breakfast is the next good habit. Why is necessary to have breakfast? Because breakfast gives us energy for the whole day. हम पूरा दिन फ्रेश रहते हैं, एनर्जी में रहते हैं एंड हम वर्क बहुत अच्छे से कर पाते हैं. We can play in a very good way, we can study, we can do anything if we are having a good breakfast, a healthy breakfast. What is the meaning of good and healthy here? It means that includes vegetables, fruits, proteins and many good things, but you should avoid fast food or junk food. So student, these are the good habits you should always follow in your routine. अगर आपकी इनमें से कोई भी हैबिट नहीं है तो just make a promise that we will wake up early, we will brush our teeth, we will do regular physical activities, we will wash our hands and we will never skip breakfast and we will have a healthy diet. So these are good habits, students. So here is the next question. Who tells you stories? So students, आपको स्टोरी कौन सुनाता है? Your granny, दादी या नानी या आपकी मम्मा. You can write here your own example. I am writing here, my mother tells me stories. So students, आपको यहाँ पे अपना आंसर लिखना है कि आपको स्टोरीज कौन सुनाता है. Okay students, so it's all about this video. In next video, we will learn about Jamna's family and their activities. So till then, have a good day students. Thank you.